So there's two parts I will present. The first one is how we deploy our project on this CMS, and another one is the software analysis between two software. One is the ItsecProject, and another one is the BitLocker. So here, this is the feature post. This you can say everything start from here. Okay, so this is the team member information. Our team got 6 people. Okay, now so my information is here. Okay, now I go back. I'll get started with the content management system deployment. So we choose this WordPress as our CMS because we think the WordPress is easy to use and it also free and popular. So when you go to the website, you have to register with your email address and then choose what is type you want to building and then key in the information. And there's a checklist here. This checklist will guide you how to use this CMS. So CMS, we use page to create the team member information and also post to create the content. There's also many functions here. Design, you can choose out the themes. So what I use is this one, and then you can customize it also. Then menu got how many, something like that. Okay, now the next one is the software. Install it. Why the software was chosen? So we chose this software. Why? Because BitLocker is already integrated on our Windows operating system. It's common, but I think most of the user does not use it. So our project will look detail into it. And another one is ItsecProject. Why we choose this is because they also use the AS algorithm, the advanced encryption standard. This both software use the same encryption algorithm, so we will compare it now in this our project. So BitLocker you don't need to install it because it is built-in, and ItsecProject you can download from the website. And after you agree the license term and condition, you can start the progress. Then when you start out for the first time, you have to register with your real email address. So now you explore the ItsecProject software. So when you open up, you have to register with your email, or when you log in, there's a verification code sent to your email. You have to key in here. So it will mention you that your password will use for the encryption. Okay, now you can try. So now get started with the first email. You will use 2 email in this test. Okay, now it will encrypt a test file. Okay, now when you can open it, and it also already encrypted when you add into this list. It already encrypt. Okay, now I right it. Okay, it doesn't have any function to share. Okay, now I import public key of the second email. Okay, can you share? Oh yeah, now here you can share with another email. Okay, now I encrypt again another file, and I name it test2. Okay, like this. Okay, this time I no share with others. Okay, I check it first. Okay, I no share it. Okay, now both I can open also in this account, so I will log in. Okay, it said I have to close. Okay, the public keys is export from here. Okay, now I open the secure file from the previous account. So the first one is share with me, and the second file is does not share with me. So this one should be can open without enter the password. Okay, we can open it without enter the password. So the second one should require the password of the previous account. Yeah, so it not share with us, so we have to key in the password of the previous account. Okay, just like that. There's other function here. So the secure delete is to prevent others to recover the file after you delete. It not totally delete. So this function can totally delete. And then secure folder. Secure folder is encrypt all the file in the folder. So there's all .xs format. Okay, now because the format is not what I want, so I stop securing and remove from the list. Okay, I open first. It will change back to the original format. Okay, add. Here, it will change back. Source Tokyo. Okay, just like that. Now we will explore another one. Going to explore BitLocker. Remind that the Windows 10 Home Edition does not have BitLocker. So the first step is select out the volume you want to encrypt. Right click and select the turn on BitLocker. If you are checking your PC configuration, then next you have to enter your password. Select out where you want to back up your recovery key. You cannot save the key to the same location, so maybe you can save to another volume or a USB flash drive. Then here you can select how much of the drive to encrypt. Maybe you can just encrypt the volume or encrypt the entire hard disk. There's two encryption mode for you to choose. Then when you're ready, it will start encrypting. Encrypting takes some time. Then after it complete, the icon will change. So if you want to open it, it said that access is denied. So you have to unlock with the correct password. Okay, now the icon will change again, means you can access it. So if you want to decrypt the volume, just go to the top control panel, turn off the BitLocker. The icon will change back to the original. Okay, just like that. So next we will compare these two software. The main feature of Script is encrypting file, but for BitLocker is encrypting disk drive. Authentication. Script need ID for verification, but BitLocker no need any user verification, but you still can set a PIN to start up PC. Access control. Script user with its own key or private key shared by others only can access the file, but the file you cannot open it still can delete, move, or copy by anyone. For the BitLocker, the drive with correct password only can access, so you cannot view the file if you don't have the password. Data confidentiality. Both of the software are using AES encryption algorithm. Data integrity. The secure file cannot modify easily for the script, but for the BitLocker, it will validate the bot process. So for non-repudiation, the AES algorithm provides the unique encryption which cannot modify easily. And for the BitLocker, it got extra modulus. The TPM trusted platform modulus can create and store the encryption key on itself and keep an eye on the correct bot process. So in conclusion, these two software are using AES encryption algorithm by different purpose. So these two software work together can provide user a very high security. So anyone can use both of the software to protect and share their data in secure way. So that's all. Thank you.